Meet the Bowers Wilkins AM-1, an architectural outdoor speaker engineered to deliver authentic B&W sound in environments where durability is essential. Compact and discreet, it brings refined audio performance to terraces, gardens, and poolside spaces without visual intrusion. Its fully sealed weatherproof cabinet is designed to withstand the elements while preserving acoustic integrity. A rear-mounted auxiliary bass radiator enhances low-frequency performance, delivering fuller, more controlled bass while allowing the enclosure to remain completely sealed. At its core, AM-1 features B&W's Nautilus tube-loaded 25mm aluminum dome tweeter for clean, precise highs, paired with a 130mm glass fiber mid-bass driver tuned for clarity and balance. The result is a wide, even sound that performs consistently across open-air spaces. Installation is simple and flexible thanks to the one-plug mounting system, supporting vertical or horizontal placement, with 220 degrees of rotation for accurate sound direction. Smart engineering ensures AM-1 sounds equally balanced in any orientation. Tough, elegant, and built without compromise, the AM-1 is ideal for outdoor areas that deserve the same attention to sound quality as your interiors. To explore availability, finishes, and installation options, connect with our sales team or visit uberpad.com.